आलमी शोहरत याफ्ता लाखों फॉलोअर्स के हामिल ट्रैवल व्लॉगर्स ने पाकिस्तान को पुरअमन और सफ़र के लिए महफूज मुल्क करार दे दिया। उनका मजीद कहना था कि यहाँ के लोगों की मेहमान नवाजी और खानों का दुनिया में कोई मुकाबला नहीं। मजीद जानते हैं नुमाइंदा बोल न्यूज़ मोहम्मद आली जा खान से, जिन्होंने इन व्लॉगर्स से गुफ्तगू की है। जी आली, जब बताइएगा क्या कहना है व्लॉगर्स का।
इस पे दिल कुर्बान, इस पे जान भी कुर्बान, हम सब का पाकिस्तान। पाकिस्तान एक कसीरुल मजहबी, कसीरुल लसानी मुल्क है। पाकिस्तान एक डाइवर्स कल्चर का हामिल मुल्क है और यही इसकी खूबसूरती है। और इसी चीज़ को उजागर करने के लिए बैनुल-अक़वामी ट्रैवल व्लॉगर्स पाकिस्तान आए हैं, जिन्होंने रोशनियों के शहर कराची विज़िट किया, पंजाब के दिल लाहौर का विज़िट किया, शहर इक़्तिदार इस्लामाबाद को देखा, फिर इस्लामाबाद से होते हुए हुंज़ा तक गए। अब हम इस्लामाबाद में उनसे गुफ्तगू करते हैं और जानते हैं कि उनको कौन सा शहर अच्छा लगा, कौन सी चीज़ अच्छी लगी, क्यों अच्छी लगी। Well, Tom, we've been following you, your travel vlogs. You've been doing a great work. Tell us about your journey here in Pakistan. You've been here for the first time. Tell us about your experience. Which is your favorite place and why?
Thank you for. I'm actually here for the 5th time. It's my 5th time in Pakistan. The reason I keep on coming back is because I really like the country. Obviously, it's a really lovely country for traveling. You know, there's so much to see and there's so many things to do. The landscapes are amazing. Obviously, the food is great. But I think the reason why I keep on coming back is the hospitality of the Pakistani people. The way I've been welcomed, the way I've been treated. Always being treated like a king. And the Pakistani people just really are a hidden gem, you know, because of the media portrays Pakistan as a different country what I know that it is like. So I'm always happy to come back and basically one of these trips that we are actually doing is changing perceptions of people. And I think with my job, with my big following on TikTok and Instagram, it's a great way to show the rest of the world what Pakistan is like, and actually what the media depicts Pakistan as. It's a complete different picture.
Well, you're working as an ambassador for Pakistan, portraying a positive culture of Pakistan in the world. You have met PM Shehbaz Sharif as well. Tell us about that experience. He is a pioneer of metro bus service station in Pakistan. Tell us about your journey in metro and the meeting with PM.
Yeah, the journey in the metro was actually really cool. I made a video about it and I think it has like more than 2 million views. How I think it was a surprising way to travel in Lahore, because I'm honest, I always take Uber. You know, I never took the metro. And then I took the metro and it was actually so easy. It was super clean. It looked like Dubai a bit. I think it's the same guy who designed maybe.
Tried the metro of Islamabad as well or not?
In all honesty, no, I have never.
I suggest you to try Islamabad as well. You'll have a beautiful view of Margalla Hills as well.
Oh, that sounds amazing. That sounds amazing. No, but the train ride was super easy. And then in the end, visiting the Prime Minister of any country in the world is an honor, obviously. So I was super grateful I got the opportunity and that we as a group were invited there. So incredible opportunity, unique chance. And I've had a lot of travel experiences in my life, but it also shows off the appreciation of the government, like for us as content creators, what we are contributing to a positive image of Pakistan. And so being invited then to the Prime Minister House was an honor.
Thank you, Tam. I'll get back to you. I have another prominent vlogger from USA. Tell us about your experience. And you seem very happy here in Pakistan.
Yes. So it's been a great ride since we've been in Pakistan. It's been a few days that we've been here. I've been wanting to come to Pakistan for the longest of time. This is my 2nd time coming after 18 years, and to finally be here, it feels surreal. We've been to multiple cities, and the north has definitely been my favorite. It's surreal. It surpassed expectations. So a big shout out to Zishan Bhai for making this happen, and hopefully we can continue to change perceptions in the Western world of Pakistan.
How many countries have you visited before, and what's different you find here in Pakistan?
I've visited over 40 countries thus far, and I think the biggest thing about Pakistan, and I'm not being biased because I'm Pakistani, is just the people are so hospitable. They're the nicest people in the world.
And tell us about which place do you like the most. You've been there in Hunza, you've been Lahore, Karachi, and now in Islamabad.
I think hands down Hunza, it surpassed expectations. I've been wanting to go for the last 18 years and to finally be here and to see Hunza. It was surreal seeing the mountains, the blue water, and just the people in the north are just so hospitable.
Tom, finally I would like to ask you about the street food. Tell us about that. You like street food?
Oh, totally. I'm a big fan of street food. I always make videos on my channels about eating street food, because in the guidebooks they will tell you, do not eat the street food. The street food gonna make you sick. I tell the opposite. Try the street food. Yeah, maybe sometimes, you know, you're gonna have a little funny belly, but it's worth it.
You can't get better taste like street food, isn't it?
Yeah, it is like, honestly, it's like a taste of the country. You taste the street food, you taste what the country is like, because this is where the local people eat. And here you have all the meat, the liver, everything you can imagine, you can basically order on the street. And obviously for us, it's very cheap. So I always say, yeah, just spend $1. Also, you're contributing to these local communities, to these people who are working all day, hardworking. And then the taste, sometimes it's absolutely amazing. It's even better than you get in a restaurant. So yeah, definitely like the Pakistani street food.
Well, Tom really likes the Pakistani street food. And I'll ask you, which culture do you like the most? You know, Pakistan have different cultures when it comes to Punjab, when it comes to Humza. They're different cultures. And when we go to Sindh, it's altogether a different culture. So you'll be definitely observing the culture as well, the folk music, the traditional clothes they are wearing. So tell us about that.
I think every culture has its own, perspective and its own taste. So just to say one is better than the other, I couldn't say that. But every single culture has its own good thing about it. So I think my favorite thus far has been the North. The Hunza people have just been so hospitable and very nice. And you can't beat the North. It's one of the most beautiful places on earth.
Well, we can't thank enough. You have been working for Pakistan, the way you are portraying the positive image of Pakistan throughout the world. We are really grateful. Keep coming to Pakistan and we'll be welcoming you from our open heart. Thanks, Tom. Thank you for the discussion. Any message you would like to give to the world who is seeing you?
To the world or to the Pakistani people?
The world, all the world is watching.
To the world is a very easy one, because if you have, let's pick one, let's say safety. People ask me, is it safe to travel to Pakistan? And I always think, are you joking? Because it's a really safe country to travel. And I think that's the biggest fear of a lot of people, is like, traveling to Pakistan, is that a safe country? And I'm like, I invite you to watch my videos on Instagram, on TikTok, at Travel TomTom, and you will see that Pakistan is a really safe country to travel. And I hope I can change your perception of what Pakistan is actually really like.
Thank you very much, both the gentlemen. It was nice talking to you. नाज़रीन, हमने इनके साथ गुफ्तगू की, उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको पसंद आई होगी। इनका ये कहना है कि पाकिस्तान सफ़र करने के लिए महफूज मुल्क है, लोग यहाँ पर बहुत ज़बरदस्त हैं, बहुत अच्छे तरीके से हमें वेलकम कर रहे हैं, और जहाँ हमें वेलकम किया जा रहा है वहीं हम यहाँ पर इधर की खूबसूरती से, यहाँ के लोगों से बेपनाह मुतासिर हैं। तो उम्मीद करते हैं कि हमारे वीलॉग्स देखने के बाद दुनिया के दीगर ममालिक से भी लोग यहाँ पर आएँ, ताकि पाकिस्तान का टूरिज्म बढ़े और पाकिस्तान के बारे में जो एक नेगेटिव परसेप्शन है वो ख़त्म हो सके।
सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल दबाएं ताकि कोई खबर रह न जाए।